So we've decided to put a couple of apple trees on the side of the cake here. Don't really want to put it on the fence post, the post here. I might just put it, maybe here. So we'll start with putting the tree trunk in. It's just a sausage of fondant. And we've used that same cutter that we've used for the sheep and the clouds. We'll put that on top. And we'll make it an apple tree by putting some little red balls on there. So I've just rolled another little sausage in order to make the apples for the tree. Just rolling them and popping them on.
Thanks for watching. So you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you click on the notification bell, and you follow us on Facebook. Happy decorating!